All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about the new hotness from Matco, the Maximus 4.0. In case you don't know, Matco came out with a new scan tool, 4.0 Maximus. It is a launch-based scan tool with Matco's software on top of it. It allows you to be a little more user-friendly, I guess the best way to put it, but it is a launch scan tool. Now, the launch comes with a wireless dongle to hook to the vehicle, and it's a launch scan tool. Now, this is a full-featured scan tool with a scope. Now, it comes with a Hanatech scope module, so you can use it with the Maximus 4.0 to scope vehicles, look at anything a scope will do. Now, it is a rebranded Hanatech, so I'm not going to do an in-depth review on it because, well, it's a Hanatech scope, so it's decent. Not Pico level good, but it's entirely usable. I'm pretty sure the Autel one is rebranded Hanatech as well, but I'm not sure. This one I know for sure is because it says Hanatech on the paperwork and inside it. So, all right, so let's talk some of the features. Now, it will do ADAS as well, but we're not going to get into that because we don't do ADAS. You've got CAN bus pin detection, scope module, You got a online battery test. So what you can do is you've got this to test batteries. You hook it up to a battery and it Bluetooth connects to it and you test a battery with your scan tool. I'm gonna do that right now. Now, once it detects battery voltage, it'll try to connect, hit max battery. Now, it is a full-fledged tester. We're just going to do a battery test because I don't want a vehicle running in the shop. Give me a message about floating battery, common, and 650 is what the battery we've got. And it's going to test it. Now, you can do a starting system, charging system test and all that. Measured starting current at 640 cca. Good battery. Now, actually, I already tested it with this tool, so I know it was a good battery. Now, as you know, I've been an advocate of this launch battery tester, and probably the same exact stuff is in this that's in the other one, so definitely a very nice feature to have. All right, so we've got the vehicle identified. We're going to go ahead and hit Diagnostics. Of course, it's going to make me say yes a couple times. We're going to do Health Report. Now, one thing I have noticed is the touch screen is a little It's going to go through the entire network, and it's going to give me a report on everything. And like everything nowadays, pre-scan, diagnostic scan, yada, 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 and it's going to give me a report. Plausible wheel speed sensor. Ooh, got a little out of the white balance there. One of the things I talked about in the Autel Ultra video that I got questioned on is topography. So what do you use topography for? Well, for me, I use it a lot for network diagnosis because it gives me the network that I'm dealing with. So I can go through and go, oh, I got a CAN network, I got a LIN network, that's on the LIN network. It's a one-wire system, so I can quickly and easily figure out my network design. Feature I really do like. BMW, Y-Tech use it, great feature, but I was questioned on my opinion of it and what its usefulness was, and I had no idea what I was talking about. So let me know in the comments what you think topology is for. Really good. You know, it is a launch scan tool, so it's lots of features that, well, Snap-on can't meet, can't do. Graphing on it is, well, launch, so it's okay. Not great. You know, Snap-on still kills it with that. So definitely a good option. The battery tester thing is really cool. I really do like that. The scope is usable, and the scan tool, well, really good scan tool that has a lot of stuff that, well, Snappy can't do. So now I'm not going to get into all the stuff it can do because, well, I haven't had it long enough to do that. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.